Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Canon mirrorless cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a hobbyist, a professional photographer, or a content creator, we've got something for everyone. You can check out the product link in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Canon EOS R100 mirrorless camera, equipped with the RFS 18 to 45mm f4.5 to 6.3 STM lens kit. This is Canon's smallest and lightest camera in the EOS R series, making it an excellent option if portability is your main priority. With a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and Digic 8 processor, this camera delivers impressive image clarity, capturing natural bokeh and sharp details. The autofocus system is good for basic needs, covering up to 143 zones with human face and eye detection, though it may feel limited compared to higher-end models. This camera is an ideal entry-level choice for those new to mirrorless photography. In terms of design, the EOS R100 is compact and easy to handle, which makes it a great travel companion. Its lightweight build, combined with intuitive controls, ensures comfort during prolonged use. However, its plastic body might feel less durable compared to other models on this list. Performance-wise, the camera is capable of 4K video recording at 24 FPS and Full HD at up to 60 FPS, but its limited frame rate options may not satisfy advanced videographers. Overall, the Canon EOS R100 is best suited for beginners and casual photographers looking for an affordable and portable mirrorless camera. The key pros include its compact design and solid image quality, while the cons are its limited autofocus zones and basic video capabilities. A solid option for those dipping their toes into the mirrorless world. Coming in at number 4 is the Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera. This camera is geared toward content creators and vloggers who need a versatile and compact solution for both photos and videos. Featuring a 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and Digic X processor, the R50 delivers high-quality images with impressive detail and clarity. What sets the R50 apart is its advanced autofocus system, which utilizes dual-pixel CMOS AF2 to cover up to 100% of the frame, with 651 AF zones. With subject detection powered by deep learning technology, you'll find it easy to track people, animals, and vehicles, even in challenging scenarios. Design-wise, the EOS R50 is lightweight and ergonomically sound, making it comfortable to carry around during long shoots or travel. Its vari-angle touchscreen is perfect for vlogging and allows for flexible compositions. It also offers fluid 4K video recording, with features like 6K oversampling for enhanced quality. However, the camera's smaller RFS lens compatibility and limited zoom range could feel restrictive for users requiring more versatility in focal lengths. The Canon EOS R50 strikes a balance between affordability and performance, making it a great choice for content creators or casual photographers. Pros include advanced autofocus, excellent low-light performance, and compact design, while cons include limited lens compatibility and less robust build quality compared to full-frame models. A great pick if you're looking to create high-quality content without breaking the bank. Coming in at number 2 is the Canon EOS R6 Mark II mirrorless camera, RF 24 to 105mm f4 to 7.1 STM lens kit. This version of the R6 Mark II delivers the same top-notch performance we discussed earlier, but comes bundled with the versatile RF 24 to 105mm lens. This lens is perfect for photographers looking for an all-in-one solution for landscapes, portraits, and even casual wildlife photography. With the same 24.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor and Digic X processor, the R6 Mark II delivers stunning image quality and impressive low-light capabilities. Autofocus performance is superb, covering up to 100% of the frame and detecting a wide range of subjects, including people, animals, and vehicles. The design and build quality mirror the body-only version, offering durability and weather sealing for rugged use. The bundled lens adds extra versatility, though its maximum aperture of f4 may be limiting for those who require faster lenses for professional work. Video capabilities remain exceptional, with 6K oversampled 4K video recording and extended full HD recording sessions without overheating. This kit is ideal for users looking for a ready-to-go package without the hassle of separately sourcing lenses. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II RF 24-105mm lens kit is an outstanding option for advanced users and professionals seeking versatility and premium performance. Pros include its all-in-one convenience, advanced autofocus, and excellent image and video quality, while cons include the lens's slower aperture and higher price point. A superb investment for those who want the best in mirrorless technology. Finally, at number 1, we have the Canon EOS R10 RF/18-150mm f3.5 to 6.3 STM lens kit. This camera is a standout in the APS-C mirrorless market, offering a perfect balance of performance, portability, and versatility. With a 24.2-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and Digic X processor, the R10 delivers stunning image clarity and vibrant colors that will satisfy both photographers and videographers. The included RF S18-150mm lens is incredibly versatile, covering a wide focal range that's suitable for everything from wide-angle landscape shots to close-up portraits and even some wildlife photography. Autofocus is fast and reliable, featuring subject detection technology for people, animals, and vehicles. The design is ergonomic, compact, and lightweight, making the R10 an excellent choice for travelers and on-the-go creators. It's equipped with a very-angled touchscreen for easy framing and a bright anti-smudge LCD for clear viewing in various lighting conditions. Video capabilities are a highlight, with uncropped 4K recording at 60 FPS and smooth Full HD at up to 120 FPS, making it suitable for vlogging and high-quality content creation. However, the lack of in-body image stabilization may be a downside for handheld shooting in certain situations. The Canon EOS R10 RF S18-150mm lens kit is the best all-around choice for enthusiasts and content creators who want a versatile and portable camera without sacrificing quality. Pros include its wide focal range, advanced autofocus, and excellent video capabilities, while cons include the absence of in-body stabilization. A fantastic option that truly excels in its class. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.